Montana, known as Big Sky Country, and the views are everywhere. Northwestern Montana is so beautiful, especially in the summer. Set up by the beautiful Flathead River, I have the 22-inch griddle on medium high. We're gonna add some thick cut bacon and I'll cook it nice and crispy, just like we do for breakfast. When the bacon's done, I'll drain it on a paper towel. Today I'm using ground buffalo. I have 6 to 8 ounce portions and I'll smash them down with the spatula. We're gonna add salt and pepper, cook them for 5 to 6 minutes before we flip them. Once we get that beautiful crispy crust, we're gonna give them a flip and add an egg to the egg ring. We're gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper to the egg, and we're gonna close the lid so that cheese gets melted and the egg cooks. You can't be in Montana and not use huckleberries. So today we're gonna make a Huckleberry Mayo, simple recipe, 2 tablespoons of mayo with 1 tablespoon of huckleberry preserves. Mix that together until it's evenly incorporated. Once our egg and burger are almost finished, I'm gonna open the lid and we're gonna toast our bun. Now it's time to build our burger. We'll start with the bottom bun. We're gonna put on plenty of our Huckleberry Mayo and top it with shredded lettuce, our crispy bacon, and now our double cheddar buffalo burger. 2 slices of fresh tomato, then that beautiful egg. A little bit more mayo on the top bun, and that's just how easy it is to make this incredible sandwich. Look at that. So easy to make a gourmet burger, whether you're at the tailgate, in the backyard, or here in the beautiful mountains of Montana. If you want this recipe and more, just visit us at blackstoneproducts.com.